Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So it's a new update. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then just tap on this profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three bars in the upper right corner and go for this settings. In settings, tap on this help, go for help center, and now you just have to tap on these three bars. You will see these options. Just tap on this manage your account. Again you will see various kind of options. Go for this delete your account, and now you can see this temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. Expand this. Now scroll down and tap on this instagram.com. It's in blue form like link type. Tap on it. It will redirect you here. From here, tap on your profile icon again. Now tap on this edit profile. Scroll down all the way to the bottom and you can see this option temporarily deactivate my account. Just tap on it and now you have to enter your password. You can select any reason why are you deactivating. I am selecting this one is temporarily, and then after entering the password and selecting the reason, you just have to tap on this deactivate my account and your Instagram account will be deactivated. Tap on this yes and you are done. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.